The first way to convert a node list into an array is to use the spread operator. So this can be done by spreading in your node list into an array and storing that into a constant, which you can then use array methods on. The second method is to use the array.from method. So again, you simply call array.from, put your node list inside, and this will convert it into an array. The third method, and the most complicated, is to use array.slice.call. So you'll see this is by far the longest. You have to call array.prototype.slice.call, put your node list inside, and believe it or not, this will convert it into an array. You can simplify this by replacing array.prototype with square brackets, and it will do the same thing. Cleaner in my opinion, but again, this last method is a bit overcomplicated. Now let's go through a live example to show you how this works in practice. So I'm just in the browser, I'm on the Wikipedia main page, I have my DevTools open, I'm in the console tab, and at the top you can see that I've already put in document.querySelector all h2, and I'm storing this into a node list. So I just want to find all the h2 tags on the page and store that into a constant. So if I press enter, we have that. So if I want to display, okay, what exactly got shown, we see that we have here a node list. It looks like it's an array, but it's actually a node list where we have all the different h2 elements on the page. And if we wanted to use an array method on this, so we wrote NodeList.map each node, and we just say console log the node, and if we try and press enter on this, you'll notice that we have NodeList.map is not a function. So this is the problem that we're trying to solve, and as I showed you, we can simply solve this by converting to the node list into an array with one of the methods that I showed. So let's take the first one. So let's go constant array equals node list. So we're simply spreading in the node list, storing it into an array. Now if I show you the array, we'll see that it looks almost exactly the same as before. The only difference is there's no node list. And let's try mapping over the array this time. So we'll put console log entry, and you'll see that it doesn't break this time. We get all of the console logs this time, and everything works. So that's how you convert a node list into an array and use it in your code.